Oh my God, I love you so. Oh my God. Is it better now? Oh, you want the hair? Oh, you want my hand? Okay. Oh my word. I get a good cleaning too. Oh my gosh. No, it's not so good. You see, it's only nice for a little while, like most things in life, right?